What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check Phantom Wallet history. So, you might be wondering here, how do you check your Phantom Wallet history? Well, this one is fairly easy. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet here. And as you can see at the very bottom, you have a bunch of buttons here. You have your home button, your apps button here, which in this case, you should be able to see your collectibles. You also have the swap button here, as well as discover here. Now, as you can see, we also have a fifth button here that looks like a clock. Now, what the clock means is actually, it's the history of our account. So if you click on it, this actually allows you to see your account's history. Also, it will be categorized into dates, so you should be able to see the dates of transaction. Now, the thing with your recent history here, you can actually click on your history, and you should be able to see what happened there. Like for example, the status, which network it happened, the network fee, the provider, and the amount that you paid here. Now you could also view this on SolScan if you want to click on view on SolScan, and if you want to swap again, you can click on swap again and replicate the transaction. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.